The first step of every project is the planification, and this one is no exception. To do this, I created a new sprint in Jira and named it as Swab project. The goal of this project is to test the functionalities of saucedemo.com. Then I created all the issues necessary to achieve this goal, assigned it to myself, added history points, descriptions, and estimated time to complete. I started the sprint and then I started to work on it. When I finished the backlog, I created a test plan Excel document with the test scenarios and the test cases. I have three main test scenarios: TS Swag Login, TS Swag Card, and TS Swag Checkout. TS Swag Login. This scenario verifies the correct operation of the login page. It has 4 test cases. In each one, I tested the 4 different kinds of users: the standard user, the locked out user, the problem user, and the perform a glitch user. Essentially, all the 4 test cases are the same, but are different in the assertion criteria. The standard user asserts if you can reach the inventory page, checking if the product's banner is present. The locked out user asserts if the login message is present. The problem user asserts if the book image is present in the inventory page, and the perform a glitch user asserts if you can reach the inventory page, checking if the product banner is present. TS SWOT cart. This scenario verifies the correct operation of the shopping cart. There are 6 test cases, but the structure of each one is the same. This test will log in with the standard user, add to the cart the list of the product present on the Excel sheet, and answer if the products in the list are present on the cart package. The only variation of this test are the products in the list provided by the Excel sheet. TS Swag Checkout. This scenario verifies the correct operation of the checkout. This test will log in with the standard user and add to the cart the list of products present in the Excel sheet. After that, the script enters the client information, first name, last name, and postal code that is also provided by the same Excel, but in different sheet. Then the test proceeds with the checkout operation. If the products in the Excel list are not in the checkout summary, the test will fail. But if everything is okay, the assertion will verify that the "thanks you for your order" text is present. The first thing I did with the preparation phase was to add all the dependencies needed to complete this project with the help of Maven. Those dependencies were Commons IO, JUnit, Selenium, Apache POI for Excel, and Apache Login Log4j. Then I prepared the Log4j properties and then I added it to the build path. I also downloaded the correct version of the prompt driver and added it to the project. Then I created all the packages necessary to have the well-organized project, including the screenshots packages and the Excel data driver packages. Page object model packages are also there, and the test packages are there too. Programming the page object models. I created 6 POMs, page object models: cart page, checkout complete page, checkout step 1 page, checkout step 2 page, inventory page, and login page. Using the find by annotation, I created an object for every element present in the page. I also created a method for each object to gather data, send keys, or to get other properties. Programming the data driver. I have created an Excel data driver to manage data from the Excel sheets. I created methods to gather information as a list and to get rows and columns count. Programming the test cases. The test cases were programmed according with the test planning sheet in different packages, depending the test scenario. The package of the test screenshots and the data samples are also related to the name of the test scenario. For the TS SWOT card scenario, I used a parameterized class with the parameters to get the parameters from the Excel file. I used a before method to initialize the web driver, maximize the window, and format the data gathered by the parameters method. In the test part, I took a screenshot and implemented the assertion as the test scenarios described. Finally, I used an after method to quit the driver, I also used log4j to comment every step of the code related to the test case. The TS Swab checkout scenario also uses parameterized class and has the same structure as TS Swab card, but it uses one more sheet from the data provider to apply the process. The TS Swag login uses 4 different tests, each one for each different kind of user. If you want to run all the test cases related to one test scenario, you only need to run the test scenario class, and all the test scenarios related to that will run. But you can also write a test suite and a test runner to run every single test scenario at the same time.